beginning of the runway, level off at 1,000 when you get there.
I'm surprised to see it there this morning.
Yeah, I don't know why he didn't call us. He could certainly stay on our ramp.
Alright, aim towards the beginning of the runway. And level off here. We're going to do an overhead approach, which is a circle to land maneuver. So we're going to fly over the runway, control our speed, and then spiral down to land, a big 360 all the way to the ground. So it actually looks like a World War II Navy approach to an aircraft carrier.
And Texan 4 request long landing.
That's approved, sir.
Texan 4.
Alright, I'm on the controls with you. I want you to stay on the controls with me all the way through landing, okay?
Okay.
Alright. We have a little bit of a left crosswind. We'll roll out on the runway heading here. We're going to land long, so we're not going to approach the runway from the beginning. We're going to fly kind of over the top of it and land halfway down the runway. Alright, we'll slowly ease the power off. Alright, here's our left turn. This is the shallowest part of the turn since we're into the wind. We're going to lower the gear, so gear handle down. Alright, the gear's down and locked. And we'll slowly get rid of all of our power here. We'll trim the nose up some more.
Is that a go-kart track there?
It's a remote control race car track, yeah. So does it look like we're too high? Alright, we're down to 110. Mixture rich, prop forward. Gears down and locked. There's 105. We have a left crosswind, so we'll land probably with a little bit of left wing down. Gear down, flaps down, and trim set. We'll hold that center line. There's 90. Easing the power out.
Very nice. Little dancing with pedals.
Not much.
Texan 4, turn left on Charlie, contact right. Actually, taxi into, turn left on Charlie and TWA.
Alright, we'll turn left on Charlie and TWA with you, Tex 4.